around.
But it's
so
okay, 'cause
sorry.
I'll take the credit.
Yeah. Lisa Lessort is up next. Yes, absolutely. Lisa is here from Temp-tations and works side by side with Tara Tesher and the rest of the Temp-tations team. Bowls, bowls, bowls.
Bowls.
We always want more bowls because 18.8 million sets of Temp-tations have been sold here at QVC, and we're always asking for the accessory bowls. Now, this set of 3 just so happens to be Basketweave.
Oh.
March 13th, Basketweave Day.
Yeah, I heard that.
This is one that's available in pretty seasonal shades,
And
too.
that's what I love it. And so this is our great basket weave pattern. If you're new to Temp-tations, this is one of our newest patterns. And what is basket weave? It's like that true basket that you know, you love, you collect, that is rattan, but we've actually brought it to life in stoneware. So it's literally that layered effect. This is all textured here, Mary. We layer the basket weave, then we do something called tea staining, which gives it the highs and the lows. Then we layer on the old world of the flyer or the floral lace. This is the floral lace firework. Say all that really
Easy for
quickly.
me to say.
Yeah, exactly. And there's where this bowl comes to life. You're getting a 3-quart bowl. It's going to have helper handles on the side as well as hand painting on the inside. So you're getting a 3-quart.
Okay.
You're getting a 2-quart, and you're getting a 1-quart. Every one has a plastic snap-on storage cover. So these are bowls, but they are bakers.
Oh, love that too.
Yeah.
Maybe you're using this, and this is what we're putting on the table. We want to leave these in the kitchen. These are utilitarian. These are how we want to serve. Now, only order of the season, $39.98. Their customer top rated, all 5 stars.
You know, Mary, and I just
All
want to
5
say,
stars.
every single one has a 5-star review. And
Wow.
thank you. And we're so honored. And that just shows the quality of Temp-tations, right?
Totally.
So because this is seasonal only, you can only get these now. You won't see them again until 2020.
Ooh, the Roaring 20s.
The Roaring 20. So here's that shamrock. What I love about it is add a touch of a season to your table. Maybe you don't want to buy a big set. This is the perfect way to try it.
Shamrock's popular.
Got it. How about the ocean? I love this floral lace summer. If you want to have the shells all across your table, then look at the inside.
And if you got the Capri Blue in the QVC2 Big Deal, that
Oh,
sure would
does
match
it match
that
perfectly?
pretty. Yes, it would.
I love that. Underneath, we know that you actually love to collect romance all year long.
Yes.
It's really a great pattern. It says, I love you in a bowl.
So cute.
Beautiful hearts.
Okay, I have to kind of brace myself because I know you showed it a minute ago, but take a look.
Look at the firework Fetty.
I love
so
it.
this is old world choices with that beautiful
I
red,
love it.
white, and blue combination. And then look at the inside. Gorgeous. Underneath there, Mary, is what we call egg hunt. I mean, maybe you have 3 children. These could all be their Easter baskets.
Cute.
Just adorable. It has those gorgeous speckled eggs all across it.
Egg hunt, there are only 4 dozen remaining.
That's it.
Yes.
Understood. And then next to that is what we call summer. I love that. I'm sorry, Ocean Fetty.
Beautiful.
I get all confused with our summer patterns.
You know what? Fair enough.
Yeah, love that. It's the teals and the blues and the kiwi limes and the eggplant.
And if you picked up the sapphire in the QVC2 Big Deal,
Yeah.
that would be a beautiful match to that last choice. Now, I keep mentioning that some of them are limited. Keep in mind that when they are gone, you won't see them again, if at all, until 2020. So the price tag is $39.98. We also have 3 easy payments of $13.33 here. Have to say it again, easy pay is gone at the end of the day. And this is our only order for the season. I also want to call out something too. Since each one comes with a snap-on lid, wouldn't these be beautiful gifts?
Yes, they would.
$13.33 a gift.
What?
Oh.
Mare. So a couple of things. Oh, what a pretty bowl, huh? So pretty. Here's what I want to tell you about these bowls. Because they're only here at this time of the year, and because March 13th is National Basket Weave Day.
Yes.
Yeah, these are going to go quickly. Because, oh, they match this so prickly. Oh. Prickly. I don't know.
Perfectly.
I'm sorry. My tongue is just tied today.
Listen, it's been a really busy week.
Is that what it is?
It is.
Or
It
prickly.
really is.
Yeah.
I love. This is why we're friends, though.
Gluten-free
Adore
mac
you.
and cheese
Thank
with
you, my
bacon.
friend. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, we have some very popular choices in the show. This one in my hand. This is the firework.
Yes.
Okay.
That's so pretty.
There are fewer than 100 now in the firework,
very
and it's going quickly. So please don't hesitate on picking that one up. But for the same the same attributes of our Temp-tations are true here.
Yeah, and that's what we love about it. So don't get fooled by all the beauty of this bowl, right? It looks like something you're just going to leave out and never touch. Absolutely not. You can get your KitchenAid mixer, mix right in there, put it in the oven up to 500 degrees, put it in the microwave to reheat. Because it has the plastic snap-on storage covers, leftovers are a breeze. Oh, and by the way, even if you just want to tuck fruit in here or something decorative, these are fantastic bowls, a 3-quart, a 2-quart, and a 1-quart
Well, I love
size.
the Basketweave makes it look like, hello, a basket.
Like a basket.
But not all baskets, we know one other that can, but not all baskets can be put into the dishwasher. This one can.
This one can. And look at this. It's naturally nonstick. This is why we love stoneware, right? Isn't that so yummy? Yeah. And you know what else about stoneware? Not only is it naturally nonstick right here, and you're going to get this amazing performance, but I want to call out what Mary's eating over there because it's going to keep your hot foods hotter longer.
Okay, so we need to go through the colors again because
Can I grab this one to bring it down?
yes, we are
Thank you.
losing. We are losing things left to right. So remember the Easy Pay. I can't forget the mac and cheese. But in the Shamrock, that's the first one we're going to take a look.
Love that.
400 remaining in the Shamrock.
Okay,
That's it.
that's it. I'm going to pop this one in here because these are the floral lace choices. Here is that beautiful floral lace firework. The inside.
5 dozen in the firework.
That's it. Okay, they're gone until next year, okay? Then we have the floral lace summer with the gorgeous shells.
Summer, we're down to 200.
Okay, and then we have floral lace romance.
We also have about 200 in the romance. By the way, I saw while we're shopping
I'm
that
distracted over
my
there
friend,
with you.
my friend Chris Campanelli is starving. I
he's
was going to
hungry.
get him. I was
All
going to
right.
get him a fork. The final choice is.
And then in Old World, we have the firework fetty, red, white, and blue, and what a great way to have that Americana theme. Underneath there, Mary, is the egg hunt. Look at the gorgeous decorated eggs.
Guess how many we have left?
2.
12.
Oh, I got half
So
of it
close.
right.
So close.
At the very end, we have Ocean Fetty. Let's talk about these colors. It's that bisque background with the tea staining. It's that beautiful turquoise color, the kiwi lime, the eggplant. I mean, when you get these bowls on your table, I understand why every single one has a 5-star review.
So you get a 3-quart, a 2-quart, and a 1-quart.
Yeah. Sorry, let me bring this little guy back.
Let me tell you, each one has a snap-on lid.
Yeah.
Approximately $13.33 per gift here, but it's our only order of the season. So when I see something from Temp-tations in seasonals, what I've learned over the years is when that sells out, you're not going to see it again until that season the following year.
Yeah, and the reason why is because these are handcrafted quality pieces. Everyone touched by an artisan, so it can take us up to a year to get things back in stock. Another thing about these bowls is that they all nest together. But Mary, what I love about them, these are not a flimsy bowl. There's some nice weight in a good way and heft to these bowls.
Absolutely. Keep the price in mind. Keep the gift giving in mind because right around the corner, I know Passover begins on the 19th, Easter's on the 21st. That's of April, of course.
Yes.
And then we have Mother's Day, Father's Day, so many different. Egg Hunt has now sold out. Firework, there are now 12. 12. So very popular choice. Customer top rated, all 5 stars. Oh my gosh, I'm taking this with me.
I know, isn't that yummy?
Yes.
That was David and team.
Thank
know.
you. Oh, we love them.
I know.
And we love you too.
Fantastic food stylist.
You know
Love
what? Always wonderful
And I
to
will
see
see you on Wednesday.
Huh. I wonder what we're doing then.
With basketball.
Oh, I'll have baskets on too. You know what? I'm just going to go over here to my friend Chris Campanelli.
Mary.
I'm telling you.
I think I'm